What's the one thing you must do to make money as a coach or consultant? Sounds like something you need to know, right? By the end of this video, you will. If we haven't met before, I'm Wendy White, business development strategist for extraordinary entrepreneurs. I help coaches, consultants, and other thought leaders to make an extraordinary impact with their message. And I'm so glad you found me. Hit the subscribe button and stay for a while. Now, today's topic: the one thing you must do to make money as a coach or consultant. See, coaches and consultants have a harder time than creatives making a decent income. And it all comes down to one thing. It's not about your talent. It's about your message. Nail this, and you're halfway home. Skip over it, and well, struggles ensue. Because if you're not making money, you don't have a business. You have a ridiculously expensive hobby, right? So, the one thing you absolutely must do to make money as a coach or consultant is solve a problem. This is one of the first things I ask potential clients. What's the problem you solve? And many say, I don't really think of my work that way, but you need to, because people pay to find solutions to problems. General up-leveling, empowerment, not so much. No one recognizes those as things that they want and need, and you need them to do this. This is really important. The reason it's harder for coaches than creatives to sell their services is that it's just not clear what you get for all that money. When you hire a website designer or a copywriter, it's very clear what you get for the money, right? But with a coach, what do you get? What's the thing you're investing in? I know I wouldn't pay someone $1,000 if I didn't know what I was getting. And I bet you wouldn't either, would you? But unfortunately, that's what so many coaches are asking people to do. And so people aren't hiring them. You make it clear what your potential clients are getting by calling out a problem and saying that you have the solution. This means that you need to think about sales and marketing differently. I know everyone wants to avoid the sales elephant in the room, but if you're going to have a small business, you need to get good at sales. No matter what kind of coach you are, health, relationship, mindset, business, spiritual, no matter what your actual services are, there's only one thing you should be selling. It's not your services, it's not your credentials, it's not even hours of your time, because no one really cares about your services. They don't know what your credentials mean to them, and they don't really want to spend hours and hours of time with you. Sorry. What your prospects want is a bridge between where they are and where they desperately want to go. So that's what you need to be selling: a transformation from one place to another. And the more clear and specific you can make that transformation, the more obvious the value is going to be. I'll give you an example. I can help you stop being unclear and sounding like everyone else in the market and hearing nothing but crickets, and start landing clients with a unique, confident, and compelling message. That's pretty specific, right? And it's pretty easy to put a value on because you know what that transformation is worth to you. Compare that to the common model most coaches are using that I call the therapist model. They say, pay me $100 an hour and we will generally work towards betterness. Here's the problem with that. If you are trying to sell your potential clients on that, it raises all kinds of questions. What does better look like? We don't know. When are we going to get there? We don't know. How much is it going to cost to get there? We don't know. Is this a good investment? No. You do not want to leave all of those questions open in your client's mind. You want to answer them. And the way that you do that is to make sure that you are selling a transformation from one place to another. So, your takeaways for today: if you want to make money as a coach or consultant, you need to be solving a problem. Instead of offering vague generalities like unstuck or next level, make your offer clear by calling out a problem and saying that you have the solution. Instead of offering your clients your service, your credentials, or hours of your time, make your value obvious by selling a clear and specific transformation. Does that make sense? If you'd like my help to nail the problem you solve or figure out how to talk about the transformation you offer, you really should book your flight plan. The flight plan is a powerhouse one-on-one call to quickly get to the heart of why your message isn't connecting and what you need to do to get hired by more of the right people. Give me 1 hour and I'll show you exactly how to fix your message so it connects with those ideal people and converts them into clients. And I'm going to drop the link below. So I hope you found that helpful. If you like this video, please hit the like button below and share it with your friends. Oh, and be sure to subscribe because I'm sharing strategies like this every single week. Also, make sure to hit the bell to get notified. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Now, go be extraordinary.